Let's see how to build a free portfolio site with Wix. So first, let's create new site. Then let us set up without chat. And then go ahead and click portfolio. You can now name your website here, and let's just skip it for now. And you can choose some apps you like. In here, there's so many apps to choose from. For now, let's just continue with the portfolio itself. Continue to dashboard. Then let's go ahead and design site. You can choose either to have a template or to generate it with AI. So I'm just going to pick a template for now. And here there are a bunch of templates to choose from. You can choose whatever you like. You can view it if you don't want to pick something from it directly. So if you're ready, just go ahead and click edit. So to edit the template, you just have to edit your portfolio, you just have to click this. You can click this quick edit and then you can edit your backgrounds here. You can change it, your strip backgrounds. Can change it also. And then if we click this, you can see a manage projects here and manage collections. When we click manage projects, you can set it up with your AI, but you can set up without it and go to projects immediately. You can set it up on your own with this. So what you're going to do is you can add some projects here. Your projects, you can add your project, you can add a description of your project, some basic infos, and some medias too. But you can also edit this one, for example. Can have the title of your project here, the description, and you can have some basic infos here. You can delete some if you don't want that info to be added in your project. You can add and delete, and also you can add some medias in your project. Like for example, this one, you can add some of it. When you click add, you can arrange this media here. You can arrange them actually, whatever you like. You can arrange by this grid or masonry. You can select all and delete it, deselect, then there. Just click that. Then if you're done, it's save and close. And it's gonna be here. You can also delete this, all of this, by just clicking this one. And it selects all of it, and you can just delete selected. And also, you can also manage some collections in your portfolio. So here, just click add, and then you can name your collection. Like for example, it's a beach collection of photos or whatever your portfolio is all about. For example, this is a photography template we're clicking. So let's say beach photos. So let's just add image. You can upload some medias here with a bunch of these platforms. Then you can also have a media from Wix. So like for example, this one. Then you can add some descriptions of your collection. What's your collection all about? And then you can create new project here. You can create new project or just simply manage projects. Like for example, this one. This is just an example. I'm just going to have this continue. Yeah, I'm going to have this 3. And then I'm gonna click save. And there you'll have a collection. You can change it by just clicking manage. You can add some new collections either here or here. And if we go and exit this one, it's gonna change here to your collections. There. And when we click this one in here, You can see it in Manage Page. We can see here the portfolio pages we're at. So when we click the collection pages, it's going to look like this. So after we click that one, it's going to go to the collection pages. This is a collection page. And then when the clients or the customers click in your page, one of these photos, then it's going to go to the project page. This is the project page with all that projects in there. You can also edit your menu. Here, your portfolio, bio, your contact. You can go ahead and click this, then manage menu. You can have this portfolio. You can edit the inside. This is the one that we're having. Then bio. You can edit this one too. And the contacts. You can edit the contents here too. There. This is a Wix forms. You have form settings. And there, all of these, or if you want to add something like more text, like images or some videos, they'll showcase your portfolio. You can do it by you can actually add some page here in the pages and menu. You can go ahead to site and menu and add some pages here. You can have a blank page, a service, or whatever you like. Then you can go to the elements to add some more. You can go to galleries to add or showcase more of your projects. Have the pro galleries, grid galleries, can showcase all your photos there. Then you can add some more text, images, some buttons that leads to your page or where you want to link your buttons. Then you can add some strips if you like. Some other like shapes here, arrows, boxes, and also add some videos and musics here if you like. When you click preview, this is what your clients or your customers would look at in your portfolio. For example, like click this right here, then it goes to your portfolio. It's all the collections in here, and then when click one of these, for example, this one, it's gonna show you what's inside that project, like all of these projects of your portfolio. And that's it. That's how to build a free portfolio site with Wix. See you soon!